I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to discuss all the issues what the users are facing on this Mi 11X device. So I think 2 days back I did a video, friends, on top 5 issues discussing about the Mi 11X device, and I asked the users to comment below under the video what are other problems they are facing, and I did get plenty of response for that video. I think over 113 comments were there for this particular one video, 113. So within that short time, a lot of people they did write plenty of comments, friends, and in this video I'll try to go through each and every comment, and let's discuss what's happening and what are the problems actually the Mi 11X is facing, and what is the software update they need. And as soon as possible we need the software update, friends, otherwise it's really hard to survive with the Mi 11X device for the long time. So this is just the beginning, this is just the 1 week of usage, and some people are complaining even within 2 days of using the device. So this should not be the case with the Mi 11X device. Hopefully they might get fixed. They should fix with the software update as soon as possible. But in this video, let's discuss what are the main problems, what are the comments which I got for that particular video. So I'll go through each and every list in this complete video, so just be patient. And if you are one of the Mi 11X user, and definitely you need to know all the problems, and if you are thinking of buying the Mi 11X smartphone, then definitely you should be aware of all these problems as well. So let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. And so this is a video, friends, which I particularly did top 5 issues on the Mi 11X device, what the users are facing and the solution. So in this video I spoke about all the problems what I know, but I did ask the users what are other problems they are facing. And here are the few comments which I'll try to read down, and there are 113 comments, as you can see, friends, and most of the users they are facing the green tint and proximity issue as well. I'll try to do another video how to fix a proximity sensor issue as well, so make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you're having doubts. And some of the people they're having the issues with the double tap issue as well, as you can see, friends. So double tapping issue. So there are few things which can actually fix with the software update. I think hopefully this might get fixed with the software updates. And only facing issue number 4, double tapped to off the screen not working. And also I'm facing an issue with the snapshot. As I said, there are even third-party other applications as well where the few of the functionalities are not working as normal, where it should be working as normal, but it's not the case. As you can see, friends, Snapchat recently from the past 2 to 3 days I cannot see the opposite guy during the video call, as you can see. So in case if you face the same problem, you can reply to the same person as well. So in this way you'll be able to communicate with each other from the Mi 11X user to the other Mi 11X user. So that is the main point, friends, for me of making this kind of video, where bringing all the Mi 11X users together under one video, so you can discuss and you can have the conversations what to do and how to fix. And only the problem number 1, it is for everyone, I think, the brightness level. So initially I did face the brightness level problem. For example, if the Mi 11X if you live for a long time with the full brightness, the brightness will automatically decrease. But the problem is fixed in my phone because of after the update, which is the MIUI 12.5, as you can see, friends, which I am running 12.5. After this one, the problem is got fixed, so there is no low brightness issue right now. I did even the battery draining test as well. PUBG continuously playing for 5 hours, so there is no battery there is no brightness decrease during the time of testing. So that is another thing. So hopefully this brightness issue will get fixed with the software update, no problem with that. So this is a number of listing which I given 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be easy for you to even understand. So except 4 I have faced all the problems. So I did face, except double tapping to unlock, except that one, every problem I did face in this mobile phone in the Mi 11X. That's really sorry, friends. So I'm not sure how and why this is happening for the Mi 11X users particularly. This is a huge amount of money and you're investing and you're getting all this kind of problems. So this is my first time I'm seeing the Mi 11X phone, like a particular phone has so many complaints and so many negative feedback with the software. And even other person, they did say, I'm seeing in the call log at the time of receiving a call, that number of callers, as you can see. So this is another problem with the call log as well. So in everything there's a problem, friends, with the Mi 11X device. I'm not sure when the software will be fixing this phone completely. So double tap to lock doesn't work on my phone, as you can see, friends. There's another issue with the double tapping. So in some apps, as you can see, net is not working, but YouTube, Amazon Prime is working fine. What's the problem? Touch lag issue. So there's a touch lag issue and double tap issue as well. So even I am facing problem with the WhatsApp issue, the messages are not shown in the single notification, as you can see, friends. So different applications, there is a different problem. So you are not alone, friends, in this kind of problem. So definitely there are a lot of other users as well who are actually facing this similar kind of issues. And double tap to waking up is not is working, but double tap lock is not working, as you can see. And in WhatsApp, if I get one message from a chat, it's showing the notification of other chat. So there's another problem with the WhatsApp application as well. And some people even they mentioned about the GST calculator where it's showing wrong, as you can see. There's so no problem at all. So here is one guy, there's no problem for him. That's really good. And nearby share not opening as well. So there's another problem which I did see couple of times, nearby share, so which is not functioning properly. So I'll try to write it down in case if I forget. So I need to make a video on the proximity sensor and the nearby sharing. So next video will be on those two. So nearby share and the proximity sensor. If possible, I'll try to do double tap to lock, how you can do that as well. I'll try to make a video on that one. So next video is a full screen gestures are not working in MI Linux device and Android 11 and MI 11.12 facing issues, as you can see here. So I'll try to make a video on that particular topic as well, friends. Full screen gestures very soon, if possible. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. And there is another problem. So with the MX player is suddenly getting stopped, as you can see. That is another problem is there. I used MI 11 X4 and face issues while using the video call, as you can see, friends. There's a blur showing around the upper screen and lower part only on WhatsApp. So this is not sure. I'm thinking maybe the screen guard must be wrongly placed for this kind of problem. I think that might be the problem of this kind of blur going on. So make sure to put the screen guard tamper glass properly on the front cam, so maybe that problem might be fixed. And proximity sensor is another issue majority of the people has reported. So I took down the noting of that problem, and definitely I'll do that video next, friends. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Double tap screen is on but not locking. So this not locking, this is another issue a lot of users. So I'll try to see what I can do, double tap to lock, how to make it work. So make sure to stay tuned for that video, friends. I already note down I think a couple of 4 videos, so will be upcoming. As anyone now noticed the silver ring appearing during the WhatsApp at night, only at the night. As you can see, there's another problem which is WhatsApp silvering, but I didn't face any kind of those silvering problem. So next is some people they said about iPhone 11 proximity sensor issue. Proximity sensor is facing issue. Screen changiness problem means touch issue problem. I think I'm facing problem number 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 indicates touch lag issue and the proximity sensor. I think majority of the people are facing the proximity sensor issue. Proximity and 4, when I double tap the phone didn't unlock, it will remain home screen. So there are other some issues, lag issues on the device while screen recording the PUBG game. Okay, so even I did try the PUBG game as well in terms of screen recording and playing PUBG game. So make sure to check that video, you will understand more. So double tap to lock is not working, double tap to wake is working. So even this problem, double tap to lock, definitely, friends, I'll do my best to post a video on this topic, MI 11X or double tap to lock. So definitely. So bro, I ordered this phone for the PUBG. Is it worth? I think it should be worth. So but in case if you're facing the touch lag issues, then definitely there's a problem with this PUBG game in this phone. So full battery and test while PUBG and heating smooth and extreme. I already uploaded a video on that particular topic, so make sure to check that video, friends. So next is a double tap to sleep and wake proximity sensor. That is another problem. So majority of the problem, display brightness issue is completely fixed with the update, so no need to worry. Even I got the proof right now, brightness issue is not there, 100% it can be fixed. And game lag very much, I didn't think it's, so I think the PUBG game is getting lag in that particular person. So now I am worried if I should get this phone or not. I think at the moment a lot of people are really worried, should they get the phone or not. I think the answer for this question should be just wait for a couple of weeks, friends, definitely, because during this time I will definitely receive the update and I'll keep you updated about this phone condition. Then you can decide to buy or not. In case if you want to try your luck, try to buy the phone. In case if there's a problem, try to replace the phone. Otherwise, in case still there's a problem, try to return it and buy the other phone. That's the only solution right now. Green tint issue, that's also another green tint issue. So hopefully, friends, the green tint issue and these are the few problems which basically mentioned. So most of them are, I think, the proximity sensor and the double tap to lock. So I did mention double tap to unlock, but double tap to lock is the main problem. So green tint issue, I'm not sure, there is no solution from my side how to fix this one. So only the software update, but from my side I can give you some solutions regarding this too. So wait for those video friends. Definitely I'll do a video on this particular topics, how to use, what is the alternate method of using this kind of tricks to make it work. That is the alternate method, not the permanent solution. That's why I decided to do another video on that particular topic. So these are the few details friends, few complaints and few issues. So finally we understood you're not alone in this kind of facing issues. There's so many hundreds of people who are facing this kind of problem on the Mi 11X device, the people who bought this phone. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hopefully this video will give you the clear idea what's going on. So instead of you reading all the comments, I thought of just showing in one video, so it will be kind of useful for a lot of people. So thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.